good morning. Welcome to Luxonate Hotel. My name is Bea. May I assist you?
Hello, good morning. I want to check in.
Certainly, ma'am. Have you made a reservation before?
Yes, in online travel agent.
Alright, may I receive the confirmation letter, please?
Oh, here is it.
Thank you so much. Alright, I will confirm your reservation under the name of Miss Karen Pajos for one family room, non-smoking room, staying period from December 8, December 20, 2025. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, absolutely correct.
Alright, ma'am, for the registration purpose, may I borrow your ID card, please?
Okay, here is it.
Thank you so much. Please wait a moment. Thank you for waiting, Miss Pajos. Here I inform your ID card.
Okay, thank you.
Could you help us to fill the registration form with your number and sign right here, please?
Okay.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to inform you about hotel policy for every guest who stay here in our hotel. There is a room K deposit for IDR 50,000. For the payment method, would you like using cash or card?
Card only.
Alright, may I have the settlement, please?
Okay. Here.
Okay, please wait a moment. I will prepare for your seat and your room key. Thank you for waiting, Miss Pajos. There is your receipt and your room key on room 101. Is accessed by our left over there. And your room is already included with breakfast at the Casa Rosa restaurant from 6 p.m. until 10 a.m. And our hotel is also provides swimming pool from 6 p.m. until 8 p.m. and gym open for 24 hours. Is the information provided clear enough, ma'am?
Yes.
Alright, for the check-in process is complete. Would you like our staff to help bring your luggage in the room?
Yes, please.
Good morning, bellboy. Please help the luggage to the room 101.
Okay, coming up.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Pajos, for waiting. You can leave your luggage here and our staff will bring your luggage into your room as soon as possible. Is there anything else I can help you?
Thank you.
Alright, if you need our assistance, you can call us from your room. Please number 1 for reception, number 2 for housekeeping, number 3 for restaurant. Thank you and have a nice day, Miss Pajos.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Excuse me. Please, this way, ma'am. Enjoy your vacation, ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to check out.
Sure, may I have your name, please?
I'm Karen Arpadios.
Thank you so much, Miss Pajos. What's your room number?
I stay in 101 room.
Oh, got it. Did you use anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't use a minibar.
Okay, let me check your bill. Everything looks good. How was your stay?
It was good, and the room is so clean, and your staff is so friendly.
So, I'm glad to hear that. Will you be paying with cash or card?
Card. Here.
Thank you and have a nice day, Miss Pajos.
Thank you.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Hi, good morning. I am Sai, your reservation staff today. May I help you today, sir?
I would like to book a one family room.
What kind of room do you like, sir?
A double room, please.
Okay, so when are you coming to our hotel, sir?
My arrival date is January 12 until 16, 2025.
Okay. Okay, so let me check, sir. Please wait for a while. Well, luckily, we have double rooms available on that day, sir. Now, which do you prefer? The one from the sea view or the normal one?
I like the sea view room.
Okay, fine. Let me make your reservation. Can I have your name, sir, and your phone number?
My name is John Criser de Alba. Then my phone number is 7915-3563563. Could you have an extra bed for my daughter?
Yes, sir, but you need to pay for the extra, and it's about $5 per night.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. Do you have received a confirmation reservation, sir?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Do you have any question, sir?
That's all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, sir, and see you then. Have a nice day, sir.